Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the SHAREX into your Windows, which is a great screenshot tool. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. This is just also for free, so we just need to open a web browser. Now let's open the Chrome browser. Click on it under the best match, maximize it. In the search bar, type SHAREX download. It's SHAREX download and then hit enter. And you'll find this from SHAREX getsharex.com, the official website. It's from getsharex.com. Click on that. And here you'll find this download button. Click on that and then click on the setup file. Now, in my case, I have already downloaded the setup file from here. So once this is done, this will not take a while. So you just need to wait for this and then click on the folder icon to open the setup file. And then you just need to click on that and then close all these windows. Then you will find this window. Now here you have to click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. You can also browse for the destination path of the file. Now I'm just going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to click on next. You can also create a desktop shortcut and then that's it from here. But if you don't want to create a desktop shortcut or any options or shortcuts from here, you can just simply uncheck the boxes and then click on next. Click on install. And now it's installed. Click on finish. And this will now open the SHAREX application in our windows. Now here you have the hotkeys and the description. If you press Ctrl plus print screen and then print screen, this will capture entire screen. Alt plus print screen, capture active window. And then Shift plus print screen, start stop screen recording. You can also do a screen recording using the SHAREX tool. Now let's try with a print screen. So let's press print screen in our windows. Now attention, do you want SHAREX to upload your screenshot? Well, we don't want that, so just simply click no. And here this screenshot will appear. Now let's close SHAREX and let's open File Explorer. Make a right click on the start button, select File Explorer. Click on Down Documents. And then you'll find the SHAREX folder. Double click. Click on Screenshots. And here you'll find the screenshot. And that's it. So as easy as that, you have just downloaded and installed SHAREX, and also you can now use SHAREX on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.